Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about in module number 4, stress strain curve. Let us consider a wire, metallic wire, fixed with a rigid spot O. This is the metallic wire fixed with the rigid spot at point O. On this y-axis plotted as stress, and on x-axis that is strain. Now our purpose is to check the malleability, ductility and brittleness of these wires, and according to these characteristics of wire we are describing the behavior of wires. Now let us take a wire fixed with a rigid spot. This point is A point. After the point A, we go to the point B. Means stress increases. Stress is increases going from point A to B. First of all, we note OA. OA is straight line graph, and straight line graph means stress directly proportional to strain, and stress directly proportional to strain says by the scientist Hooks. If stress is increased, then strain is also increased, then OA obey Hooks law. Hooks law. A to B, A to B. B is the elastic limit. B is called elastic limit. B is called elastic limit. Elastic limit means if load is removed from the wire regain its original configuration after removal of loads. So B is called elastic limit. After the point B, load is further increased. And at point C, if load is removed, it doesn't regain its original configuration after removal of loads. So at point C, there is a permanent set of strain in the wires, that is OO dash. Wire does not regain its original position. So permanent set of strain. It permanent set of strain. OO dash. Now point D point at point D. This D point is called ultimate points. Ultimate point means the point D at which we can apply the maximum stress on the wire. This is ultimate point. from C to D, load is increased, strain is also increased. Or we can say the stress increases, strain also increases. Further, going from D to point E, stress decreases but strain increases. Stress is decreases, strain increases. This is called breaking point. Breaking point. Fourth, D, ultimate point. Ultimate point or end point. Wire begin to flow. Wire begin to flow due to its own weight. Wire begin to flow due to its own weight. And E point, that is called breaking point of wire. Breaking point of wire. Now, next we will discuss about elastic potential energy of stressed wire. Elastic potential energy. Now, according to stress strain curve, we can classify the material. First material, that is ductile material. Ductile material is the materials which having large plastic range. Ductile material, classification of material. First, ductile material. Ductile material. Those material which having large plastic range. Which having large plastic range. Second one is brittle material. Brittle material. Those material which having small plastic range. Which having very small plastic range. Third one is elastomer. Those material which does not obey Hooke's law. Which does not obey Hooke's law. Called elastomer. Next one is elastic fatigue. Elastic fatigue. Elastic fatigue means the temporary delay in regaining original configuration after removal of deforming force, that is called elastic fatigue. Temporary delay in original configuration. Called elasticity. Thank you. Have a nice day.